Okay, I'm going to be starting my in-cab pre-trip inspection. Starting off with my door, making sure it opens and closes properly. And make sure my windows come down and up properly. Going onto my mirrors, making sure they're not cracked or broken. Clean at all times and adjust it to myself and free of any illegal stickers. Making sure my mirror mounts tight and secure with a full set of nuts and bolts, not dent, cracked, broken, or illegally welded. Going onto my windshield, making sure it's nice and clean, not cracked or broken, and free of any debris. The weather seal going around my windshield is not ripped or torn to prevent any water or air from coming into the cab. My windshield wipers are not cracked, broken, or missing, free of any debris to prevent any scratches to the windshield. Windshield wipers are working properly. My washer fluid is working properly. Going on to my lights, I have my left turn signal working properly. My right turn signal is working properly. My emergency four-ways are working properly. Here I have my low beams for the city and my high beams for the country. And I'll use my fog lights in foggy conditions only. Going on to my steering wheel, making sure it's not cracked or broken, not missing any components, and no more than 2 inches of play while turning on it. Checking my electric horn for the city, my air horn for the country. Okay, going on to my gear shifter, making sure it's in the neutral position, not cracked or broken, not missing any components. My clutch should have no more than 2 inches of play while tapping on it, not cracked or broken, not missing any components. Going on to my heater and my defroster, making sure my heater is working properly and my defroster is working properly. Going on to my emergency compartment. Behind my passenger seat I have my 3 triangle reflectors, not cracked, broken, or missing. I have my extra fuses here on top. My fire extinguisher is on my left, making sure it's tight and secure to the truck. Needle is reading in the green and up to date with proper locking pin in the lock position. Now I'm going to be going on to my gauges. My water temperature should be no more than 200. Water temperature no more than 200. Oil pressure should be between 30 and 60 psi. My depth meter is reading to the max. My RPMs are working properly. My voltmeter should be reading between 12 and 14 volts. My speedometer, I will check on my trip. I have enough fuel for my trip, and my air pressure is to the max. Here's my in-cab pre-trip inspection.